Hi, Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm a handless host of the Grok Star Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. We even have a free seminar coming up next week. Stay to the end of the video to hear details. Well, here's a trade that we had this morning in the Grok Star room on FB, good old Facebook. Here it was after opening, where it had run up and is now forming what we call a high base. If you want to know more about what a high base is, just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to the free chart school. We have high base breakout. Look that up. Here's a description of it, and then down below here is a picture of it where we have a run up to a line of resistance, and if it breaks out above that, probabilities are it will continue on because it is a bullish formation. So here we are. We have a run up here to this line of resistance. Why is $20.72 a line of resistance? I don't know. I don't care. I just want to make money. So I told folks in the room that if this breaks out above that, we want it to be long. So we set an order up above there, and let's see what happened next. Boom! There we go. And now I'm in at $20.79. I'm long Facebook. Well, let's pull this down here and see what happens next on this trade. Oh, there we go. Boom. Yeah, pull back a little bit. So this 2090, a little bit of resistance. Now it's high basing again. See that? Here's a high base. Here's another high base with this 2090 acting as resistance. Boom, there we are. We're up above it now. So folks who had missed this entry, is another opportunity to enter here. Boom, there we go. We're moving. Boom. Oh, yes, there we go. Good. It's 2120. Pull back a little bit. And I want to show you something here. You see how we had this nice run up, and then we had these two huge candles. And down below, we can see there were big volume on those two, much higher than the rest of them. These can be called exhaustion candles, as if you were running on a marathon and you sprint. Here's your marathon, and then you sprint the last 200 yards, and what do you do at the end of that? You collapse. So I took out half here at 2116 for 1.7%. And then it started to pull back. Now this 8 EMA should act as support, as it has all along here. But if it doesn't, I want to be out. It tagged it right there, and then bam, it went down below. And I'm now out at 2004 for 1.2%. So this total trade here, from here, half out here, the other half here on the pullback, was for 1.45% in 15 minutes. But you see how these two exhaustion candles here kind of forewarned that it was going to snap back. And what happened after that? Well, it just kind of went sideways for a while before it decided to take off. Now we've got a giant bull pullback here to a new high of day. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron. If you are not happy with your trading and would like to get into a free webinar, we're having one this Wednesday coming up. That would be on the 3rd of October at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. You just click here and you can find out. It's going to be a one-on-one course on technical analysis, just the basics. But to give you an idea about it, you can click on there. Here's a description of it and a place for you to register right here. Just press this button and sign up. Now, if you cannot be there at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, that's fine. Just go ahead and register, and you'll get a link to the recorded seminar. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron. As one of our traders said in the room today, having trading rules took away my option to be rationalize on the fly kind of trader. Thanks, Mike. Have a great weekend.